Guys, welcome back to Metro sc Off-Road. Today we've got my team associated Pro sc10. It is my race short course truck, and we're gonna hit it off with a brand new jump. So we're gonna I got a big old run up. Well, not pretty big. The truck is running a Reedy 13.5, and it's running 120 amp Hobbywing ESC. That's a censored system, running a FlySky GT5. See, this is a dirt off-road truck. Right now it's got AKA tires on it that are bald, so I'm pretty much running slicks. Here, now you can see kind of the landing area of the truck. I don't know if you can see the jump right now. And it has a Proline axe or axis, I don't really know how you say it. But I think it's the Proline axe body. Oh. So here's the truck. I'll go over it with you guys because the battery went dead. So, yes, the truck is worn out. Really worn out, actually. There's its body. Proline. I've got I'll shut it off. So, see, pretty much like there. Here, maybe back here you can see it better. Or the AKA tires. I could tell you nothing else about it. Hobby Star servo. Of course it won't focus. Quick Run 10 BL120 from Hobbywing. Then the motor is a Reedy Sonic 13.5, and of course I'm running my GT3 from FlySky, and the actual car is a team associated Pro sc10. So that's this car. Well, maybe you guys will see it out racing. If you guys go to Big Dog RC down in Girard, PA, I think is where it is. It's in PA somewhere. I'll be down there racing this thing, this truck, and some of my other cars that you've seen on the channel. Well, that's it. See you guys later.